Hey guys, welcome all. Today we are going to go ahead and fix the agitator on a Whirlpool washing machine. For some reason the washing machine is doing this instead of cleaning the clothes properly. So what we're going to do is take off this here agitator and replace it. 9 times out of 10 I have to replace the dogs, and we're gonna go ahead and show you how to do that. So for starters, we're gonna go ahead and take this cap off here. It mostly just snaps on. Mine is very filthy and it's gonna be clean when I'm done. And then we have here the other cap that's covering the bolt that we need to get to. So we just untwist that and pull it out. And once again, filthy. Then the bolt is right down there. My bolt was so filthy that it had so much muck around it that I couldn't get to it. And then I found out that my bolt was stripped. So what I did was I got these here. Bolt grippers. This is from D.I.Y. I got these from Lowe's. I think this is like 20 bucks. And today we're going to use the 3/8. All right. Got the socket wrench here. Got the extender. And just going to unscrew that bolt. Unscrewed it a lot ahead of time. I'm using this wrong right now, but that's because I'm doing with one hand. The bolt is already loose. I'm gonna take that bolt out. Let's see. Okay, so I finally got this off, and it was so hard to pull off. After releasing this tiny little bolt, it's just destroyed. Ew. But I'm gonna have to use it again, unfortunately, because yeah, I don't have another bolt. But if your bolt is better, you can reuse it. Anyway, after taking this out and pulling this off, you're gonna get this. And then these are the agitator dogs. I'm sorry, this first. This piece. Then you can take off the agitator dogs. As you can see, destruction. The teeth are so messed up. Ew. So all of them. All right. Then these are the new agitator dogs. They actually have good ridges on them. I forget. I got these off of Amazon. I think they were like $4. Get the 840W. I believe that's what it is. But we're gonna use these. I'm going to put these in the same places as the others. Everything has to be going around like that. They all have to be in that direction. Okay, I got the agitator dogs in. If they can move freely like that, they're in, right? I'm going to go ahead and replace the yellow cap. Okay, so got it upside down, works fine. All right, I got all of my pieces clean. I didn't want to clean them too much. This stuff here just would not come off. I probably need a new one if I really cared about how dirty the plastic was, but it's really hard, just chips of dirt. Clean that and clean the inside of this as best as I could. Rinsed all of this stuff off. I didn't want to focus too much on it because, well, I mean, it's gonna get dirty anyway after a while. So yep, let's go ahead and put these pieces back together into the washing machine. All right, so I'm pushing this in. I don't know if you can tell, but the agitator dogs are kind of sticking out right there. That's what you want. You want it to grip on it. So I'm gonna push it down further. Oh, my camera won't focus. So yeah, if you can see that they're on it and rolling or whatnot, we're gonna go ahead and screw it together. Okay, so you can see it's locking itself. That's what it's supposed to do. So I can turn it, but I can't go back. So looks like that's done. Put the lids back on, and then you are finished. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more Fix It Uppers by me. Thank you.
Thank you, Missy.